Hey guys, so I decided to make another video where I play Animal Jam. Well, I haven't really been active enough on this YouTube channel, I think, and these videos are easy enough to make, and I really need content on this channel. And you guys seem to like the videos where I play Animal Jam, so I decided that today I'm going to make another video where I play Animal Jam. So I think I'm going to be decorating my den today in this video. I think I've cycled through. So I know these are like the new beginner decorations. So I'm just going to get rid of these. Oh, I've earned 150 gems. That'll be nice and buying new decorations for my den. So now that my den is completely bare, let's see how I can decorate it. I like this one. So what color would I like it? I don't know. I think black is a pretty good color for my den because it goes with everything. I think I'm going to choose the black one. So I think this is where I'm going to make where my character sleeps. Then of course I want a pillow too so it can go on top of it. I don't know if you're able to, I'm not sure if you can layer things on top. Let's see. Oh, you can. That's cool. So now I'm going to give my character a pillow because I saw that they sell pillows. Where were the pillows? There they are. So, what color goes with black? Very good. Gray would go nice. Blue. Anything goes with black, really. So, I think red would go nice with it. So I'm gonna buy that. I'm gonna put the red pillow on top. That's good. So, wait, no. Let's see. There, now I have a bed. Oh, cool. Huh, it's kind of awkward looking. There, that looks nice. Oh, wait. Slaring is really an issue for me. Struggling. There, that looks good. I mean, it's not perfect, but I'm not gonna mess with it. So now my character has a place to sleep. So I'm just gonna use this window. Oh, bummer. I don't know. What's wrong with the learning there? It's good. And I'll put the window right next to my bed so I can stare out of it when I'm sleeping in this game. Yeah, that's cool. And I want more windows because I don't want my house to not have any windows in it. There, I'm gonna buy 2 of these. I'll put them next to each other. I'll make a big window. See, and now it's one big window. Oh, here's a dresser. I want to put that next to my bed. Obviously, I like the white one best. So I'll put that next to my dresser. I think to my bed. This is my dresser. Yeah, the white one's the prettiest. I don't know, what's such a beautiful color? Why don't they have enough white things in the game? Are they racist or something? Against white? I don't know. Guess I'll put it. This will go right next to my bedside. It's good. And I need a table, obviously. I think I already said that. Let me find a good table. I don't know, there's not wooden crates. That's actually better than a table. I like that. Here's a welcome mat. That'd be nice, actually. It's flowery. It's pretty. So I'm gonna buy that. I can't afford very much anymore. So I don't know. I guess I'll put this in front of my house. Let's see how many gems I have left. I don't think I have very many left. I have 400 left, so I can buy one more thing. So I better choose wisely. Like the wreath. I don't know where I'd put that. Like those lights. I don't know. Let's see, which items do I like best? I guess I like that. I'll put that in my room. Yeah, it's cool. It's kind of like, I don't know. It's kind of like how those DIY makeup YouTubers like to have Christmas lights in their room. Let me just move that. I don't know. I don't think I can afford anything else in this game. So I'm just for the outside. I'll just use what I have. So I'll use this tree, which I don't know. I was originally going for an autumn theme, and for my den, but since I already bought this tree before, I guess it goes like with the other white things. I guess it's nice. I'll keep that. And I have like a house plant that I'm gonna put it outside because I don't really have much outside. And this can go out on in the back, be like the patio, I guess. And the lamp can go next to here. It'll be kind of like the outdoor light I use. I can turn it on. Wait, I don't think you can turn it on, but I'll pretend I do. And I don't know, I guess I'm done decorating my den for today. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video, and I plan on making more Animal Jam videos in the future. Peace.